Search alerts save valuable research time and can be set up to provide automatic email notification whenever new results related to topics of interest become available in EBSCO's new user interfaces, such as EBSCO Host and EBSCO Discovery Service. Setting up a search alert from the result list is simple and can be done quickly. After performing your search, click the menu link at the top of the result list and click Create Alert. If you are not already signed in to your personal MyEBSCO account, you are prompted to do so. Click the Sign In button to sign in with your credentials or create a new account. Complete the Alert Setup form by setting the alert name, an optional description, and selecting from the Frequency drop-down list. Enter the email addresses to which you want your future search results sent, and then click Create Alert. Your newly created search alert is confirmed. Click Close to return to the result list. To learn more about the features of the new EBSCO user interfaces, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.